In our final tutorial, I want to show you how you can create your About Me page. Now, there's nothing special with the About Me page. It is a basic page that has two elements on it, paragraph and picture. You can see that I could come in and drag each of those individually, or I can simply drag down this element that is a paragraph with a picture and save myself some time. So I'll go ahead and do that. As I pull that element down, you can see that if I double click on the text area, I can actually go in and type in my text. Now I've already copied and pasted that, so that happened pretty quickly. But as we talked about earlier, there's some easy editing tools. If I want to bold something, as you can see this is bolded, I just highlight this and I go up and use the bold option. If I want to change colors, you can see that I can change colors of text, or if I wanted to use one of those links again, I could go in and create a link. You've got all kinds of options there for that. Pretty simple stuff. Now, if you want to add an image, just like we saw earlier, I double click on the select to add an image, and then I go in and I find my image. And when I find that image, I double click, and it should just take a second for that to load. If it doesn't load, again, just try it one more time, select, and let that process happen. Sometimes it takes a second, but I find that if I'm not seeing the picture loading, there we go, third time's the charm, I guess, on this one. It uploads that file, and when that file is uploaded, you'll see it on my page. It just takes a second for that to upload, to be scanned for viruses, and then it's available on my page. So on your pages, I specifically would like you to have a couple of paragraphs of text that talk to me about who you are. I would love for information about why you want to become a teacher. I would love a current image or a couple of images if you prefer. And then again, you can see up here I have a little title, and you can just name that whatever you want. But once you get that page done, that's a nice way for us to be able to see as well as communicate with each other. I've included my About Me page on my site, and if I would appreciate it if you do the same on yours. But that's a basic page. You can create as many of those pages as you want. Please make sure you publish when that page is done, and you are good to go. Now, we've published all of our pages at this point, so once my site is done, the last step of your assignment is to copy this URL. I'll go ahead and click on it so it comes up. I'm going to copy this URL, and I'm going to go into my U-Online course and click on the assignments so that I can go in and upload my URL so that it can be graded in U-Online. You can see there's the assignment for Weebly website. As I click on that, that will load. And just like it says in the instructions here, I need to come into the submission window and paste my URL and then come down and hit submit. That's the easiest way for you to submit your assignments to me, is just to go up and copy and paste the web addresses if you're using your online website, either the Weebly site or if you chose to use one of those other sites. That would work great. But that's the first assignment. That's how you build your Weebly website and how you submit it using U-Online. I hope these tutorials have been helpful for you. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me. Thanks.